Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 8286938286.
Kandoling beach, there is some illegal structures and petition was there today. What happened in that?
See, there are 3 illegal constructions which are carried out in the CRZ area, which are actually blatant. They have completely carried out illegal activities there. Now, insofar as 2 structures are concerned, one person said that he will himself remove it. He has given an undertaking to the High Court that he will remove it and he will restore the land to its original position. The second person said that he will not use the structure till he files a reply. He has been given 2 weeks time to file the reply. In the meanwhile, that structure will remain closed, no activities will go on. The third structure, which is subject matter of this petition, has been ordered to be closed, sealed, and all activities are ordered to be stopped by the CRZ authority. Further, there is an order that electricity connection and water connection to this structure has been disconnected. The deputy collector today has gone to the site and has taken the action. That matter has been now kept after 2 weeks for the purpose of filing affidavits of all these parties. So this is the order that has been passed today by the High Court. But CRZ has itself ordered the closure of the structure and sealing of the structure.
Court was asking about some filing reply regarding that why no action was taken even after issuing the stop work order.
The court has asked the CRZ authority to explain why this show cause notice remained pending for a period of 2 years, and the CRZ authority will have to explain as to why no action was taken for 2 years after the show cause notice was issued.